Warning! Warning! I am an idiot. I'm just a guy in a pole barn. Get it? Pole barn garage. Anything I say to do, you do at your own risk. I'm just some dude. Let that be your disclaimer. Let's get on with the show. We got ourselves a windshield. Time to answer that question. You know, it might fit. Bizarrely enough, this side is actually fairly close. That side, whole roof needs to go down. Is it worse or better?
We made it go better, but...
Okay, well I can come, hang on. I could do that. Did that help? We're kind of bulged out right here. I think if we beat that in, that'll let this lay down. And then it's going to take a lot of glue, but I think we can make this work. It doesn't look bad. Looks fairly normal. I think our first step though is going to be to get all this old vinyl top material and old weather strip out of here. Obviously this is not going to be the way you want to install a window, but it's the way we are going to install a window. Well, we're just going to scrape this out and maybe beat this down because it looks like it's lifted off the A-pillar here. I don't think you're supposed to be able to fit something inside of that. But I have my brother here to help me, and we're going to try to get the windshield in here tonight. Heat this stuff up, I bet. Ow! We'll just let that roast. Well, it's all cleaned up, and now we're just gonna set the window in and eyeball it to see where it fits. I can tell that's gonna be an issue. It's perfectly repaired. This glass is genuine Chinesium, and it sucks. So it'll probably break during the installation process, without a doubt. It's real bad over here.
Yeah, it's real bad over here. Like,
oh no, just bend it.
This needs to go out, and this whole top needs to go down. It's not really the same shape at all.
Dude, it fits like a glove over here, I'm telling you. So what we could do is throw the porta power.
We need to push this out, I think. Because this right here needs to go towards me.
Okay, we could try that.
And then this needs to go down.
We push that out, it'll probably pull that down.
You push the pillar here.
And if it doesn't work, then it's getting a lot of glue.
Yeah. I think we're good. Let's see what happens.
Maybe it'll fix the driver's side.
That's actually better.
Oh, dude, we can fill that. Piece of cake.
Can we just cut this corner into shape? That's bad.
Yeah.
That's pretty terrible.
It is what you might call not good, but I think just fill that. I think we could, I mean, it's going to be bad, but I think that will technically attach.
And then this is fine. This, not good.
That bad, that breaks.
This is bad down here. We can put a strip of metal in it and make that work if we have to.
I don't think this is coming out 2 inches.
This is gluable, I think.
Yeah.
This is not.
No, but will it matter? if we glue like 11/16 of the window.
Well, when it flies out at 80 miles an hour.
It's not my problem.
No, probably not. Because the bottom glue.
If we glue all the bottom, all
the top, this
some
side,
of this side
we
and
can
that
seal.
side.
And if you wanted to, we could take and just cut a L piece of metal.
Yeah.
And screw it down.
Just to get
and then
it
glue.
brace.
Yeah. And then glue to that. Just sheet.
Yeah.
Just kind of bloop. And then we'll just glue it all.
Now, if it breaks, our problems are solved. The porta-power makes a return. Oh, no. Hold it at a 45-degree angle.
Oh, 45
See,
degrees.
yes, yeah. That's.
I think it's going through the floor of the car.
I don't know. Do it again. I'll just stand right here in the way. Oh. Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, you picked the rust hole. Oh, no.
Huh.
The only rust hole in the whole floor. Right where we need it. Nothing to do but keep going.
It's talking to me.
It's okay. It has good things to say. Oh!
Well, I think we found the point where it gave it up. Let's go ahead and just back this off.
I gotta fix that now. It's fine. Well, we can't push from there.
Nope, that's a no-go. Trans tunnel.
Did it move?
I think it might have.
This thing's solid as a brick. Are you kidding me? My perfect, pristine floorboard. It's the only good thing in the whole car.
I found the bad spot.
It's very bad.
See, I found the weak point in your system.
I'm not fixing it. Oh. Oh.
Keep going.
Yeah. Oh. Ugh. It's working.
Shoving it down here.
That's okay. So, what we've decided to do is pretty much take a piece of sheet metal from the A-pillar, kind of set it on like that-ish, and then that's going to push the window, or, fill this gap here, especially on that side, and then we'll just screw it to here, and then we'll have something to glue the window to, and probably do a similar sort of thing right over here. Try to hide it as best we can, but it is what it is. What we've done here is we got a little, a J going on here. And we're just going to install a brand new A-pillar in it. Cover that up. Kind of screw it down here. Bend it, flex it, wherever it wants to be. And then in a move that will surprise nobody, just going to go ahead and use a self-tapper to, screw this baby in. And this is what we call yes.
I say 3. I say 3. You got that lower corner there on that.
Asking for a lot.
I am. The budget has just gotten up.
I can't. We're going to lose the shot. I love this jagged razor sharp edge it now has. It's somehow worse. Yeah, excellent. All right.
Now I get your super body man skills
Yeah,
out.
it's got to get the body hammer out. We are here, and this is exactly what you like to see if you're a Pontiac purist, is the correct window installation kit. This was offered from dealerships from 68 to 73 for ill-fitting car windows. So, that's just the way it is. Now we're going to put another piece behind here probably. We're going to test fit it one more time, but probably put another piece to about here, just to let it hang down a hair. It might not look the greatest, but it sure beats the hell out of nothing. And that's pretty much what the whole build is about. So, here's what we're working with here. And hey, I know it looks bad, but don't worry, it is. Hey, I got the windshield antenna though, so that'll be good for the 8-track. I don't really think you're supposed to be able to do this, but we'll just fill that with lots of window weld. The metal kind of gave us something to attach to here, so at least it won't blow out, maybe. Kind of gave us something to attach to here. That's a little better. We can get it all the way along the bottom, pretty much all the way along the top. That side's not bad, really. So, it's really just this corner that sucks. And I know a lot of you guys are going to say, oh, well, you should put a porta power in it. Listen, if you put a porta power in this car any more than I already have, there will not be a car left. So, we're stuck. This is what we got, and we can only make the best with what we have. Well, I've never done this, so we're just going to preheat these. You know, get them nice and viscous. We're going to use that, damn it, I can't. We're going to use that Walmart caulk gun, Hyper Tough, because it's tough. Hell, this is going to suck. Oh. Oh. This is too hard. We'll get rid of it. Well, there is technically a windshield in the vehicle. And, you know, that's a pretty normal thing you gotta do sometimes. Just tension fit it, you know, so it squeezes down, you know, because a lot of them are like that. We got the antenna hooked up, so that's good. You know, this side is actually fairly decent. It's glued in pretty good. I don't think it'll come out or leak. We can have windshield wipers if we so choose. So that's good. I would highly suggest not doing it like this. But if you have to do something like this, definitely buy a better caulk gun. Hyper Tough, not so tough. But it worked out, and it will work, and you know, it's sure beats the hell out of no window, and that's really all we needed. So to answer all of your questions about how am I going to put a windshield in it, well, you got your answer, and I hope you're happy. You know, my grandpa used to tell me that what makes a good carpenter good isn't how few mistakes he makes, it's how well he hides them. Well, this whole car is one big mistake. So it's all about how well are we going to hide this. Let me show you what I got planned. So yeah, it all looks horrible, right? But if we take some of this window trim and just kind of, you know, force it, bend it, tweak it, whatever we got to do, we can hide a lot of this. Not all of it, mind you, but a lot of it. And that is more than good enough for me. And that is what we call a thing of beauty. You know, we got the trim on here. We got the duct tape just holding it down. Ew. And the trim will hold the window in. I broke the window down here. This is how much I care. And yeah. So we'll get some wiper arms on it. Then we'll kind of clean up. This side's the bad side. What are you going to do? Anyway, I think that's probably going to do it for this episode. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share the videos. It's the biggest thing you could do to help out. There's t-shirts available, and there's a link in the description. Thanks to our partners, Holey and Roadkill Customs. We'll see you guys next time.